Okay, welcome to class. This course will be taught using a blended format, and all materials will be assigned to students through the Schoology website. You're expected to check the Schoology website each day to access all of your assignments. It's going to be a blended format, which means some classes will be taught in your kind of traditional teacher-led format, and others will be online courses. We have 4 categories for grading. First one is what we call CK12 assignments, which I'll talk about in a moment. Classroom work, other assignments we do in classes. Quizzes we do periodically, and finally district assessments. If you scroll down to CK12 assignments, what we're going to do this year are a lot of what they call these adaptive practice exercises. And these are exercises that adapt to your abilities. So they give me an idea of where you're at, and so that I can kind of guide instruction to you, and also to kind of test out if you already know the material. You're expected to get at least 70% on these exercises. If you don't, you're going to need to do them again, or you will not get credit for them at all. Classroom work will be the other stuff we do in class. Some of it will be electronic, some of it will be worksheets, projects. Most are worth 4 points, but occasionally we'll have some that are worth more than that. We're going to have periodic quizzes that will test our new knowledge, and you can do these as many times as you need it. Those are worth 20% of the grade. And finally, we're going to have district assessments, which again will be online, and you can do those multiple times, and those are worth 30% of the grade. Here is the classic ALC grading scale that hopefully you're seeing. A is 93 to 100%. No grade if you're less than 70%.